Dear children, this week we will do thank you card. Material needs are scissor, fevicol, glitter tube, yellow color sheet, green color sheet and then sketches. First you have to take green color sheet. No need to take very big size and all, small size is enough. And then yellow sheet, it should be folded sheet. Now in this yellow sheet we have to draw a small leaf. Put like this U shape and then down to one slanting line and then again curve, slanting line, again curve, like the same this side also. Like this small leaf you have to draw in the yellow sheet, folded sheet. In this place should be folded like this. And then you have to cut the shape. After cutting the leaf size piece, here it should be fold. Keep this piece in the square shape sheet only you have to take for green color. In the corner you have to keep. And then this itself you have to draw a big size leaf. That is no need to put a small curves and all, simply straight leaf you have to put a normal leaf. You don't know to see and all, you can draw with the sketches, pen also. Not visible and all, you can use. Now we have to cut in this piece. Like this normal leaf you have to cut in the green paper. After that you have to keep this one. Before that take another one sheet down. Then in this paper use the sketches and draw simply the outline, leaf outline. Any color you can use. I am using green leaf, no, that one I am using green. Now in this leaf we have to first down put little gum, big leaf, let it dry. The same inside also the outline you have to draw with the green color sketch. And then in this part you can paste the two artificial flowers. You can paste any other decorative item also. I am pasting the flowers. After pasting the flowers, the top of the card we can write thank you. After that, using the glitters, wherever need you can put dotted and decorate wherever you need. And then here next in this edges, leaf edges, we have to put the glitters darkly. Like this you have to finish it. After that whatever you need, for which purpose you are giving for thank you card, that you have to write inside. Like this you have to try more designs. And then like this you have to create more designs. Not only the leaf, you can select more flowers. Like that in your own creative you have to create more designs. Thank you children. Have a nice day.